How to share saved collection on Instagram with friends. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how you can do this. Now, since this is a newest feature of Instagram, you want to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. You can just go ahead and do that from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Right after, let's now go ahead and open up the Instagram application. And basically, once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through any post on your Instagram account. And from here, if we then go ahead and click on the save button, this window will show up. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on try it. You want to make sure that the collaborative option is turned on. And this menu will show up where you can then go ahead and share it with your friends. Now I'll just go ahead and click on this person, and I will be able to share this post right here with this fellow Instagram user. Now, if this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.